welcome back to our channel. Today the Honda Mighty 13 4x4 mini tractor is making waves in 2025 as one of the most efficient, compact, and powerful mini tractors available. Designed for small-scale farmers, orchard owners, and landscapers, this machine is packed with cutting-edge features, making it a reliable choice for various agricultural and gardening needs. Built with Honda's renowned engineering excellence, the Mighty 13 is the perfect blend of power, durability, and versatility. At the heart of this mini tractor is a robust 13-horsepower engine, ensuring high fuel efficiency while delivering optimal power for diverse applications. Honda's advanced engine technology ensures smooth operation with reduced emissions, making it an eco-friendly option for modern farmers. The four-wheel drive, 4x4, system enhances traction, making it suitable for rough terrains, muddy fields, and uneven landscapes. Whether plowing, tilling, or transporting loads, the 4x4 capability provides superior control and stability. The transmission system is another highlight of the Honda Mighty 13. It comes with a multi-speed gearbox, allowing the operator to adjust speed and torque based on the workload. The easy-to-use gearshift mechanism enhances maneuverability, ensuring a seamless experience for beginners and seasoned farmers alike. With high and low gear settings, the tractor adapts to both light-duty and heavy-duty tasks efficiently. Designed with a compact frame, the Honda Mighty 13 is perfect for navigating tight spaces such as vineyards, orchards, and greenhouses. Despite its small size, it has a sturdy build with high ground clearance, preventing damage to crops while maintaining stability. The ergonomic seating and well-placed controls ensure comfort during long working hours, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. The tractor is equipped with a reliable hydraulic system that supports various attachments such as rotavators, plows, cultivators, and trailers. This versatility makes it a multi-purpose machine capable of handling multiple farming and landscaping operations. The PTO, power takeoff, shaft efficiently transfers power to these attachments, ensuring smooth performance with minimal effort. Additionally, the hydraulic lifting mechanism allows easy raising and lowering of implements, enhancing operational convenience. A standout feature of the Honda Mighty 13 is its durable tires designed for maximum grip and reduced slippage. The front and rear tires are built with deep treads, providing enhanced stability and traction even on slippery surfaces. This makes it an excellent choice for wet paddy fields and rugged terrains. The well-balanced weight distribution further improves handling, ensuring better efficiency in all conditions. The fuel tank capacity is optimized to provide extended working hours without frequent refueling. Honda's fuel-efficient technology minimizes consumption, reducing operational costs while maximizing output. The efficient cooling system ensures the engine remains at an optimal temperature even during extended use, preventing overheating and ensuring longevity. Safety is a top priority in the Honda Mighty 13. It features a reliable braking system that allows quick and precise stopping even on slopes. The responsive steering mechanism ensures smooth turning, making it easy to operate in narrow fields. Additionally, the tractor is designed with user-friendly controls, allowing even first-time users to operate it with confidence. The headlights and taillights ensure visibility during early morning and late evening operations, improving safety during low-light conditions. Maintenance of the Honda Mighty 13 is hassle-free, thanks to its easy-access engine compartment and user-friendly design. Routine servicing and part replacements are simplified, ensuring that farmers can keep the tractor in top condition with minimal downtime. Honda's widespread service network ensures that spare parts and professional assistance are readily available, making it a reliable long-term investment. In addition to its powerful performance, the Honda Mighty 13 is designed with an aesthetic appeal. The sleek yet rugged body structure, combined with Honda's signature red and black color scheme, gives it a modern and stylish look. Its lightweight construction allows for easy transportation and storage, making it ideal for small landowners and hobby farmers. For those looking to enhance efficiency, productivity, and ease of work in their farming or gardening activities, the Honda Mighty 13 4x4 mini tractor is a game-changer. With its powerful engine, versatile attachments, excellent fuel efficiency, and advanced safety features, It stands out as a top choice in 2025. Whether you're a small farmer, a plantation owner, or a landscaper, this mini tractor offers the perfect balance of power, durability, and affordability.